this one is a little bit easier. As you can see here, when you have a square, it's always that it touches the x-axis in just one point, which is h. And the h is also your axis of symmetry and also the coordinate of your vertex. So for example, I will give you y is equal to, I will give you the easiest one, x minus 2 in a parenthesis squared. Then I know that this one, I have my my zeros, my root, which is only 1, x is equal to 2. Because x minus 2 squared is equal to 0, then I can solve this equation. It will become x is equal to, I will get x is equal to 2. Okay, my axis of symmetry is always your h also. So it's the same. It's x is equal to 2 according to this property. And then your vertex is always your h and 0 because it's here. It makes things easier. Okay. So another example is that when I have y is equal to x squared, then I know that my root is x is equal to 0 because x minus 0 squared is equal to 0. Then I have x minus 0. My h here is 0. As we can see, your roots is h. Your root is h. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Oh, it's symmetry. Symmetry. I wrote it in another language. X is equal to 0 and vertex is equal to 0 and 0. So if I'm going to put this in a coordinate, I think I can, this one. If I'm going to remove all of those, and then I will put the first one is x minus 2. I have x, sorry for that. Okay, I will just write my function here. Y is equal to x minus 2 squared. And then we know that our axis of symmetry, our root is 2. Then we can put a pointer. There you go. And that is also our axis of symmetry. And that is also our vertex. All at once. Okay? Here. But the problem is, what will be our y-intercept? So when in this one, when x is equal to 0, then we have 4. So our intercept here, how could it be 4? Because we have negative 2 squared is 4. Then y-intercept will be, where is that now? There you go. Will be 4 here. Pointer. And this is the axis of symmetry. Sorry for that. Axis of symmetry. Then if I will put my pen here. This is the axis of symmetry. So if I have 4 there, and I have 2 steps there, then my next point will be this one. Why? Because it is an axis of symmetry. It divides the parabola into 2 equal parts. Then you can see that our graph will look like this. It's not perfect, but you can see that pattern. Yeah, it wasn't. I'm going to show you with my calculator. Here is my calculator, my screen, as you can see there. How to find those we have found a while ago. Then I can put my calculator is Casio FX9750. If you have that, then you can push G-solve or F5. Then you will have some alternatives here. For example, I want to find the root. Then I will push F1. Then I will get x is equal to 2. Did we get 2? I guess so. I hope so. And then we have the intercept, G-solve again. And then we have the y-intercept, which is F4. And you can see that it is y is equal to 4. And then if you want to see the vertex, G-solve again, G-solve, then you will see the minimum there as an alternative, F3. Then you will get this 2 and 0. Yep. Then we did with our sketch. We did right. This is, as I've said, it is not that difficult. This part is not that difficult. Maybe that the third one and the fourth one are more difficult than this. Forgot to tell you that on my next video, I will be discussing the third one. It will look like this. We'll see if we can find something. Oh, yeah. See you around.